Good morning, children. Study what I have explained you. I hope you understand it. Now I am going to explain you the oscillatory motion. To and fro motion of an object is known as oscillatory motion. The good example of oscillatory motion are swing and the swinging of pendulum. Now, random motion. When object change its direction in a regular manner while moving, it is said to be a random motion. Movement of bees and flying kite are the very good example of random motion. Children, moving backward and forward in a straight line is known as reciprocating motion, such as cutting with a saw. What is the meaning of reciprocal? Opposite. In same way we move, sometimes we move backward, sometimes we move forward. It is also a type of motion. Understood? Now different motion at the same time. Some object may have a more than one type of motion at the same time. In other words, we say that some object have a combination of two or more different type of motion. This will be more clear by giving example. फर्स्ट इन केस ऑफ स्विंग मशीन सिलाई मशीन जिसे हम लोग कपड़ा सिलते हैं. स्विंग मशीन हैज़ अ व्हील विच रोटेट ऑन ए एक्सल. सो व्हील ऑफ स्विंग मशीन सो ए रोटेशनल मोशन. Swing machine also a needle which move up and down continuously. The needle of swing machine undergo a periodic motion. Thus swing machine exhibit two type of motion, rotational motion as well as periodic motion. The case of earth. The earth move around the sun, so it has a circular motion. Earth repeat its motion around the sun after a fixed interval of time, that is in 1 year, so it is a periodic motion, and it rotate on its axis, so it has a rotational motion. Thus earth has a three type of motion: periodic motion, rotational motion and circular motion. In case of merry-go-round, children, where you see the merry-go-round in a Disneyland, if we consider the merry-go-round as a whole, then it shows the rotational motion because it turns on axle. But outer part of merry-go-round shows the circular motion. So merry-go-round has a two type of motion at the same time: rotational motion and circular motion. Have you ever seen the bicycle moving on the road? When bicycle moving on a straight road, the wheel of bicycle is rotating on its axle. So it moves forward in a straight line path. So bicycle moving on a straight road has a two type of motion: rotational motion as well as rectilinear motion. In case of ball, the in case of ball